Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a Boohoo unboxing. Now look at the size of this package. I'm just going to, don't need to see everything. But I've just had it delivered today, just now. And I thought it would be, sorry, the ring lights. I thought it would be an amazing idea if I do the unboxing on camera right now, because I'm so excited to do it. So I hope everyone's day is going really, really well. I'm going to pull these sleeves up, but they won't go up. I'm just filming today, and the weather is really, really crap. Sorry about my skin also. I had dermaplaning yesterday, and it's a bit patchy and a bit red. But it's the best thing ever for your skin, because it makes my skin really, really soft. Like, it takes a layer of your skin off. So I'm looking a bit patchy if you're on camera, but my hair's not going the right way either today, so it's all a bit of a mess. But, yeah, I'm really excited for, oh, sorry, I've got hair straighteners everywhere, I've got fucking everything all over the place. Okay. Really excited for this Boohoo haul, kind of unboxing, because I spent so much money. I spent about £130. So I really want to show you everything that I've got, and I'm really, really excited. So let's get into the video. Oh, by the way, my nails are really, really fucked. I'm getting them done today, I think, if I haven't have enough time. One's come off, and I've had them 5 weeks, and I think it's doing pretty well. Why does my hair not... It's not sticking to my... That's better. Right, so... What's this? No. I'm always worried people are here. Right, so this is the Boohoo package. So let's get into it. I might have to lower the camera. I don't know whether to do it or not. Can you see? I'm just going to cut above the top, because I might need to return a few things if they don't fit me. Is it the top? I don't know so much just yet. So I'm just going to go for it now. Oh, it's such a big bag. I actually... Oh, I won't tell you what I've got just yet. Oh, look. So I bought 2 pairs of shoes. The first one... Let's have a look. This is literally the first time I'm opening anything with you guys. Oh, God. Okay. I look weird. A bit higher. So here we go. Oh my God. Look at these. These are fucking sick. They're amazing. Oh my God, they're even better than what I thought they looked like. I'm going to have to put them on. The foot doesn't go in. Oh, so here we go. The shoes are doing. My size, my foot does fit in them. I just really don't understand. So that's a fail. I love these shoes as well. Why me? Oh, do you think if I can... I don't know what to do with these now. They don't fit. Let's put these to the side. I'll need all this stuff in case I need to take them back. My next pair of shoes, I hope fit. Oh God, I'm getting really flustered now. So, wow, these are my next pair of shoes. Look how amazing these are. Wow. Just what I wanted, kind of platform trainers. So cool. Love these. Oh, wow. These are fucking sick. Look at these. Sorry, the ring light's in the way, but oh my God, they're amazing. I love them. They're so cool. They kind of remind me of, is it the Balenciaga shoes? They're so cool. They're so cool. Can you see? Or is it the lighting? Let me just take the ring light off. Can you see? Right, so those are a winner. I love these. These are a winner. Love, love, love. Look at the chunky heel and the sparkly kind of lip. They're amazing. I'm really flustered today. And then I bought just some clothes. So I bought a jumper. Let's see what this is like. I'm really gutted about those heels. Oh, I don't know about this. Oh, this does not look like the picture. No, I don't like this. What's going on? This does not look like the picture. I'm going to try this on, I think. It's like an oversized jumper, but no. God, what is it with, like, things just don't look like the picture. The picture, I'll insert the picture now, actually, and it's not, completely not the same. God, I'm actually quite gutted about that, to be honest. This opening seems to be an absolute fail. God, that's terrible. Right, so my next one, I just bought my leather trousers. These are just black patent leather trousers. I bought a new pair because the ones I had, I can't find anymore. So these are beautiful. I'm going to try these on. I think that'll be gorgeous. I know what these are going to look like. They're so cool. I did a video with my leather leggings. Please watch. And then I bought a dress. This is for when I go out at the weekend. I've got like a wrap-round dress, which I'm going to keep, I think. I'm really unhappy about those shoes. Really, I'm unhappy. Oh, look at this. Is this, oh no. This is cool, isn't it? It's like a wrap-round dress with a belt. And I love the nautical kind of, like a Versace kind of vibe, isn't it? Kind of, what is it? Like sailor, chains, Versace. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. And I love this royal blue as well. I don't really have anything that's blue. So, yeah, that is my little mini Boohoo haul. I'm actually going to now go and sit and cry about those shoes because I really love them and they're in my size. And I just think sometimes when people make shoes, they don't actually cater for, you know, they don't make them properly. So, oh no, and I didn't have a bigger size either, that's the thing. But everything else is amazing. Down the heel, it's just not cooperating with me. But they are a sick pair of shoes, aren't they? I'm really annoyed now. So I'm going to just check out that jumper. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that jumper. Not sure if it just doesn't look like the picture whatsoever. It doesn't look like the picture. It looks completely different. I mean, can I pull up the picture? And I'll pull up the picture and I'll show it on to you on the screen. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this kind of mini Boohoo haul, kind of jumble mess. I'm really excited to try my new clothes out. The trainer shoes, oh my God, these are insane. How cool are these? They remind me of, I don't know if it's the Balenciagas. It is the Balenciagas, isn't it? They're kind of like Spice Girls retro. It's not for everyone. I don't think everyone will like these. It's very, you know, hit and miss, but I absolutely adore these. I think they're so cool. And I don't really have anything kind of casual for during the day. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave a message. Do you like this video? What's your favourite high street store? And I love the bag, by the way. How nice is the bag? I love the pattern. Please let me know what you'd like me to film next. Any more mukbangs or reviews, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.